Agri-Tuba Builders, a project focused on the innovation of Sukang Tuba. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Carla Apag, together with my co-host.
I'm Marjorie Sumuroy,
And we are your hosts for today.
Agri-Tuba Builders aims to improve traditional Sukang Tuba by making it cleaner, better processed, and well packaged so it can compete in the market.
Our project is also similar to a cooperative because our goal is to help local farmers gatherers work together and share resources and benefits equally from the product.
Through innovation, we improve quality, flavor, and short life of Sukang Tuba. Through cooperative-like system, we support the community livelihood and profit sharing.
Thank
Thank you for watching our short talk show about Agri-Tuba Builders and the innovations of Sukang Tuba. See you!